I got a package. This is what we got. My Shein haul came in, so this gonna be a Shein haul unboxing and try on. I don't know what they got going on. They was throwing my stuff around. You know how FedEx get. I used to work for them, if y'all ain't know. And we used to be throwing the boxes around. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna get this thing open.
What the hell?
Here we go. All right, so first off, we got this all blue, you feel me, tracksuit. I'll call it a tracksuit, but it's like sweats. Say never backwards, you feel me? Nice quality. I like it. Look like how it looked on the pictures. Then we got this black, this is a nice, bro, this mother feels soft. It's a soft Los Angeles, you know, hoodie. I'm gonna like this one a lot. I can't wait to try this on. And all my stuff that I got, I get it in a size large, well, for my hoodies and my sweatpants. For my pants, I get like 32, 34, something like that. I don't know, something like that. But we got this gray hoodie, it says escaping reality. I mess with it. Then we got this apricot Air Match jacket with a little hood on it. Hard. We got another one, but this not really an Air Match. This like a pleather vest. I like this with the little fur on the inside, with the sheep wool, with the little locker on it, with the little accents, with the little accessory. Yeah, I like this a lot. It is cool. Then we got the tan, don't trip over what's behind you hoodie. Something simple, keeping it calm. Got a little green, like a little, you know, like a forest green and an olive green little sweater, crew neck sweater. You feel me? For the winter time. And then I got a pair of these pink pants. And I got a pair of these purple ones. And it's really just to increase my color palette, because you know I be wearing a lot of black and I need some color, so that's the color. But let's go ahead and get this tried on. All right, to start it off, we got some essentials, the gray sweatpants, because my last ones, they got messed up when I was trying to do a little mukbang with the spicy ramen.
I hate this channel.
And so I had to get some new ones. And then I got this, you know, this little black thing right here. And this mug pretty comfortable. And you feel me? So you can tell by the material, like if you can see through the camera, that John is nice quality. I also got this little undershirt for the winter time. Next pick. Alright, so this is the next one. It's not really I'm not gonna say fit, because it's not a fit. This is just the pieces that I got to make my fits. You feel me? So I got these lavender little purple pants, and I feel like it'd be hard with some fits, and so that's why I got it. Plus, I also got this green little long sleeve sweater type thing. And I don't think it say words. I think it's just like print or design, or it may say words. I don't know. I really don't care. I just think it's hard. And I got this little, what would you call this? Little vest hoodie type thing, because you got the little, feel me? I think this is hard too. We got the little wool on the inside with the little black. You'll see what I do with this later in the future. Yeah. But next thing, I mean, you see, I got me some more colorful pants. These is pink. And you know, I think they hard, bro. Like, they really are, like, cause I have the vision, I know I can do it. So, I got me some pink pants. Also, I got this little hoodie say, escaping reality, cause we doing a whole lot of that. Don't mean nothing to me, but I mean, I think it's hard. Yeah. Next thing. All right, so here we got, you know, a little blue jumpsuit. Underneath it say, never backwards, as you can see. Little knitted on the little subtle knit, little sand on the little blue, on the, you know, yeah. I also got this little Air Max jacket. What would you call this? I would call this like an apricot color. I think that's the color. We're just gonna say khaki, like beige, like khaki, like khaki. I don't know the color, but that's what it is. And you got the little, you feel me? And you know, I like this a lot. Both of them feel good, they're high quality. You can see these large hoodies, they go all the way to my wrist, so they fit good. I'm also 6'5". So if you tall too, this is how it's gonna fit on you. And it goes all the way down to the ankle. I don't know if y'all can see it because of how I got it set up. But it goes all the way down. It fit good. Also like this hoodie. And you know, I like this. It may not look like nothing from the front, but when I go like this. Can y'all read? Nah, but for real though, this feel comfortable. I like this. This one feels a little smaller though. I don't want that. But it's not too small. I can still wear this. And this one I noticed is a little bit thinner. So I don't know. Maybe it's just the company that they bought this from. Do feel a little bit thinner. But I'ma stay wearing this.
I came back for that little hoe. I didn't chase. Got her mouth full of sewer like I'm second place. Hit the hoe, I know she salty.
But with that being said, whole moral of the story, buy quality clothes, wear them forever. I stole that from Instagram. We on the road to 10K. I'm just trying to upload as much as I can. Care for y'all. Trying to get as much content out. Cause we ain't gonna hit 10K if I'm not uploading. You know? So I gotta grind. Unfortunately. Fortunately. I like doing this. You know. Like, comment, subscribe. Or don't. Don't matter to me. I do this for me. I catch y'all in the next one.
Skinny nigga, fat rack, stand the fuck up out the way. White rice inside my blunt, that bitch burning like some sage.
Bye-bye. Come back again soon, okay?